How to delete all arrows on MetaTrader 5 on PC. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete all arrows on MetaTrader 5 on PC. In order to do so, you will need to simply delete objects from the chart. For that, first of all, open your MetaTrader 5 application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Now here at the top left, you will need to now navigate to the chart section. Simply click on this chart tab and then a drop down menu will appear. From here, you will need to select the objects option. Once you select it, you will be able to see a more menu at the right side. From here, now select delete all arrows option. Simply click on it. Now this will delete all the selected objects from the chart as well as the arrows. Also, if you want to prevent arrows from appearing again when you open new trades, then you will need to ensure that show trade history remains unchecked. For that, you will need to press on Ctrl+O key from your keyboard and then you will be able to see this options window. Here, make sure the charts option is selected and in this section, make sure the show trade history is unchecked. Simply click on this checked box to uncheck it. Now after that, click on the OK button at the right bottom in order to save the changes. By following these steps, you should be able to clear all the arrows from your MetaTrader 5 and maintain a clean trading interface. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.